These are the ONO rollers. I've got an aluminum one, stainless steel one, and a titanium right here. They would fit in an office environment and they are silent. Let's check out the differences. I got this one first and it seems like they upgraded the packaging to be boxes. They all come with a snugly fitting neoprene case. The drawstring will close it. This is the aluminum one. The box just slips off. There's a little card inside. Neoprene case. Inside of the neoprene case, diameter of the aluminum one is 21.6, stainless steel 21.5, titanium on 21.6. They're all roughly equivalent sized. On all of them, there's an inscribed ONO logo. On the other side is the same thing. Note that it reads the same no matter which direction it is. ONO, 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 and it almost seems like the entire face spells ONO as well. The cylinder is an O, maybe there's a big N in the middle and then another O. Weight of the aluminum one, 5.4 ounces. Stainless steel, about 12 ounces. Titanium, about 7.3. The aluminum feels like a smooth matte surface. The stainless steel is very, very smooth. It feels like you're touching chrome. The titanium feels a little bit more textured than the aluminum one. Each of these have different thermal masses. When you pick up the aluminum one, it heats up to your body temperature fairly quickly. A little bit longer for the titanium one and quite a bit longer for the stainless steel one. So if you're thinking of sticking this in the fridge or freezer, the ones with the higher mass will retain its coolness for longer. They all sound identical, which is basically silence. If you're really trying to make sound with it, then it'll sound like this. But normal operation is a bit gentler, like this. If I rub it on my hand, basically silent. If you just flick it, it will roll a little bit. Same thing with the stainless steel. Same with the aluminum. Now, I don't recommend you taking it apart yourself, mainly because they put a Loctite in there so that it doesn't come loose. After taking it apart and putting it back in, I had no issues with it coming loose though. I think it's just a precautionary measure. Still, I don't recommend taking the screws off yourself. Taking a look at the bearing here, this is a 625 RS bearing. It's a double rubber seal. If you press into the rubber, I can make a mark on it. It's sealed on both sides so contaminants can't get in. All right, let me put it back. Without buying it, you might wonder what it feels like. Take two highlighters and just roll it around your hand. It kind of feels like that. Except highlighters has a lot more friction and you gotta push it around and around. For the ONO rollers, it's a lot smoother. Highlighters are about 19 millimeter diameter and the ONOs are about 2.5 millimeter thicker. So it's a tiny bit bigger. Now I'm gonna hold on to this and move it left and right. And there is no perceptible play over here. You can roll it with just your index finger and thumb. When you roll one way, you can reverse and go the other way too. Similarly on your hand, reverse. And if you want to do it vertically, you put it over your pinky or part of your palm. And this keeps it from falling down and you can just roll it on top like that. Horizontally on your palm. And also give your thigh a massage. Ever hear about exercising the part of your brain that is not used as much? Whichever hand that you don't use as much, try a fidget roller on it. Personally, I find that doing something with your hand, be it a titanium roller or stainless steel roller or other kind of fidget things, it kind of helps you think a little bit faster. In terms of cost, the aluminum one is the cheapest. The middle one and the titanium is the most expensive. Personally, I like the titanium one just because I'm a sucker for titanium things and its rarity. Titanium is actually really plentiful in the form of titanium oxide. The reason it's so expensive is because they have to suck out all the oxygen and have it at high temperature to create the metal itself. They use a lot of titanium on aircrafts and spacecraft because it's light and strong. Titanium as a metal is about twice the strength of steel. The weight of this titanium roller is about half the weight of this stainless steel one. So in other words, the strength of both of these should be roughly equivalent even though the titanium is lighter. Realistically, you don't need these to be that strong. It's a fidget toy. It's for the hand. It's never going to see thousands of pounds of pressure unless you are me. Anyway, these things are awesome. Superior build quality. Check out my affiliate link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching. Until next time.